Today, we're creating a fresh, spring-inspired bridal shower invitation, starting with a pre-made template design and turning it into something completely your own in just a few minutes. Let's quickly rearrange the text and elements. Using a template gives us a strong foundation, so we're not guessing where anything should go. This one is super simple. Just a few position changes can instantly create a new layout and make the design feel unique. Next, we refine the design by adjusting spacing, alignment, and sizing, so everything feels clean and intentional. This step is what makes your design look polished and professional, not just edited. Now let's add a pop of color. You can choose a color directly or use the eyedropper tool to pull a tone from your graphics to keep everything cohesive. Let's also bring some color into the background. Even a subtle change here can completely shift the look and give it those soft spring vibes. Before we finish, do a quick check to make sure everything is centered and evenly spaced. This final pass ties everything together and improves overall readability. Once you finish one design, you can easily create more variations and bundle them together for a stronger, more valuable listing. If you want more quick, repeatable design tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.